Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change tire on Honda Insight step by step. Jack the car on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake before anything else. Gather a lug wrench, jack, spare tire, and wheel chocks. Loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting the car. Remove the lug nuts, take off the wheel, and replace it with the spare. Tighten lug nuts by hand, then lower car and torque properly. Start by gathering tools and preparing a safe workspace, then follow each step calmly. First, slightly loosen the lug nuts while the car remains on the ground to prevent wheel spinning. Place wheel chocks, position the jack under the manufacturer jacking point, and lift until the tire clears the ground. Remove lug nuts, swap the wheel, hand thread lug nuts, lower the car, then torque lug nuts in a star pattern to the specified value. Quick recommendation: if this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe to support more practical car tips. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers smart mapping and voice control for hands-off floor care. It saves time after messy tire changes and keeps your garage tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After changing the tire, perform a quick safety inspection before driving away. Check spare tire pressure and ensure all lug nuts are torqued to the manufacturer specification. Stow tools and the flat tire securely in the trunk or designated compartment. Drive slowly for a short distance and recheck lug nut torque after 5 to 10 miles. Listen for unusual noises and inspect the replaced wheel for any wobble or leaks before resuming normal speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.